students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So this is my channel Maths with Shrabani. So today we will learn about fractions for class 7. Okay, this is my book, R.S. AGGARWAL book. Look at the book, Mathematics for class 7, R.S. AGGARWAL. Okay, so let's start today's lesson. Today we will try to solve and understand the chapter 2 fractions. Okay, so let's start. First we have to learn what is fraction. The number of the form a by b, where a and b are natural numbers, are known as fractions. So if it is written a by b, it is called fractions. In a by b, we call a as a numerator and b as denominator. Okay, so a will be numerator and b will be denominator. So if we write 3 by 5 in a fraction, where numerator will be 3 and denominator will be 5, like this. Now look at the book, various types of fractions. Okay, we have to learn about the types of fractions. So number 1, decimal fractions. Decimal fraction, a fraction whose denominator is any of the numbers 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called decimal fractions. That means if we write 3 by 10, 27 by 100, 31 by 1000, it is called decimal fraction. Get it? Next, vulgar fraction, a fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called vulgar fraction. 2 by 9, 4 by 13, 13 by 20, etc. These are called vulgar fractions. Next is very important, proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. That means the denominator and numerator is less than denominator. That means 3 by 7, 5 by 11, 23 by 40, 73 by 100. These are called proper fraction. Okay, next will be improper fraction. What is improper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to denominator is called improper fraction. That means if we write 11 by 7, okay, so numerator will be greater than the denominator. 25 by 12, 41 by 36, 53 by 53. These all are called improper fractions. Sometimes denominator and numerator might be same. Okay, it might have been same. Then we can say the improper fractions. Next, but not the least, let's check out a number which can be expressed as the sum of natural number and a proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. That means there will be a whole number and a proper fraction also. Okay, so 1, 3 by 4, 4, 5 by 7. These all are called mixed fractions. Now we will start the mathematics. Now look at the book, exercise 2a, from R.S. Agarwal. We will do the compare the fractions. Okay. Number 1 we will do. So let's check it out. We have to solve which one is greater. Which fraction is greater? 5 by 8 and 7 by 12. We can see that 5 by 8 and 7 by 12, these two fractions are proper fraction. So we have to check whether 5 by 8 is greater or 7 by 12 is greater. So first you have to write 5 by 8 and 7 by 12. Then you can do cross multiplication. That means from left side 5 into 12, 60 we get, and 8 into 7, 56. So we can see that 5 into 12 left portion is greater. Okay. So at the left side 5 by 8 is there. So 5 by 8 is greater than 7 by 12. Answer. Same question number 2. 5 by 9 and 11 by 5. Again we have to do the cross multiplication. 5 into 5, 5 into 15, it will be 75. 11 into 9, it will be 99. So as we can see, 99 is greater. That means 11 by 5 is greater than 5 by 9. Very easy. Compare between two fractions. Next is 11 by 12 and 15 by 16. Cross multiplication. After doing cross multiplication, we will get 11 into 16, 176, 15 into 12, 180. 180 is greater than 176. 15 into 12, that means the left part. 15 into 12. Okay. So 11 by 12 less than 15 by 16. That part is greater. 15 by 16 is greater. Get it? Move to the next. Question number 2. Question number 2 is written, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Okay. Now we have to check which one is smallest. Ascending order means smallest value, write in orders from smallest value to largest value. Okay. So 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 11 by 12. First of all, we have to find out the LCM of 4, 6, 9 and 12. That will be 72. Now we can write the multiple of fractions. That means 3 by 4 we can write it multiple of 72. That means 54 by 72. 5 by 6 will be 60 by 72. 7 by 9 will be 56 by 72. 11 by 12 will be 66 by 72. Now, after doing the ascending order, the order will be 3 by 4, 7 by 9, 5 by 6, 11 by 12. Get it? Answer. Next, number 2. Number 2 is always same as before. 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 11 by 15, 17 by 20. Again, we have to do the LCM of the 5, 10, 15 and 20. And we will get 60. 4 by 5, we can write 48 by 60. 7 by 10, 42 by 60. 11 by 15, 44 by 60. 17 by 20, that will be 51 by 60. So the ascending order will be 42 by 60, 44 by 60, 48 by 60, 51 by 60. Okay, next question number 3. 3 by 4, 7 by 8, 7 by 12, 17 by 24. The LCM of 4, 8, 12 and 24 will be 48. 3 by 4 we can write 36 by 48. 7 by 8 we can write 42 by 48. 7 by 12 we can write 28 by 48. 17 by 24 we can write 34 by 48. So the ascending order will be 7 by 8, 3 by 4, 17 by 24. Next is 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 7 by 10, 8 by 15. So the LCM of 3, 5, 10, 15, 90 will be 90. Then we can write 2 by 3 as 60 by 90, 3 by 5, 54 by 90, 7 by 10, 63 by 90, 8 by 15 will be 48 by 90. So the ascending order will be 7 by 10, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 8 by 15. Next, check out the sum number 4. Number 4 is very easy. Renu got 2 by 7 part of an apple, while Sonal got 4 by 5 part of it. Who got the larger part? Okay. So, and how much? That means we have to again compare the both fraction. 2 by 7 Renu got, Sonal got 4 by 5. So after doing the comparison, 2 by 7 is lesser than 4 by 5 after doing the cross multiplication procedure. So Sonal got the larger part of the apple. Okay. And question number 5, find the summation of the fraction. Okay. First is 5 by 9 plus 3 by 9. It will be 8 by 9. Just proper fraction. 9 by 8 by 9 plus 7 by 12. We have to LCM 9 and 12. That would be 36. Then 32 plus 21. Answer will be 53 by 36. Then the same procedure. 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8. It will be 41 by 24. Same procedure. Number 3. 7 by 12 plus 11 by 16 plus 9 by 24. It will be also 79 by 48. Okay. Then